The Jolly team returned to Bett Educational Technology Expo in London with a presentation of Jolly Classroom, a multi-sensory digital platform for teaching phonics in a fun and effective way. Since its launch at the end of last year, teachers in over 50 countries are now actively using our software to help children learn to read and write twice as fast.
Very impressive with this exhibition to see the range of people from all over the world, from Brazil, Europe and elsewhere, and to see the high level of interest in Jolly Classroom, all very encouraging.
This is Jolly Classroom, a new and fun way to teach Jolly Phonics directly into your classroom. Here is a new update that we did a few weeks ago. This is the new home UI, where you can see all your classes and easily manage your teacher and your school setting.
Try the magic of Jolly Classroom for yourself by following the link in the QR code or the link in the video description.